my dear learners, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. So, my dear learners, here we will start chapter number 6 of your book. And the name of the chapter is Emails, a Way of Communication. Emails, a Way of Communication. You are thinking, ma'am, what are the things? What is email, ma'am? How we can able to communicate with the help of email? Don't worry, I am here for you. I tell you each and everything. Okay? So, my dear learners, here we will see first of all the means of communications. With the help of internet, we can able to now communicate with one person to another person, whether it is in India, whether it's out of India, we can able to communicate. So we will see first of all means of communication, how we can able to communicate with one person to another person. Now we will see email. What is email? How with the help of email we can able to send messages to one person to another person. Okay, whether the messages are formal messages or informal messages. Okay, how we can able to send messages, how we can check email, how we can reply on email. Okay, how we can able to make email account. What is internet? How internet plays to make a email account? What is the role of internet in it? Okay, these are the things that we have to cover in this chapter, in this class. Okay, so ready, steady, go. Okay, ready? So let's start this chapter number 6. So hi, I am Marvin. We all have heard about the term internet. It has brought people closer from all over the world. With the help of email, now the people are connected to all over the world. Do you know what is internet? Let us learn about it in this chapter. Let us learn more about internet in this chapter. First, I will tell you what is internet. Nowadays, internet is very famous. With the help of internet, we can do lots of things. We can able to pay, we can able to go any places, we can able to do shopping, we can able to make appointments. Okay, these are the things we can able to do with the help of internet. So internet is a wide area network that connects millions of people through millions of networks. It is the largest network that is made up of collections of small networks. Internet helps computer to connect through telephones line, radio waves, Bluetooth and satellites. With the help of internet, they help us to connect all of us. Okay, internet has made communication very easy and has also given a rapid growth to the business all over the world. Nowadays, the businesses are flourish just because of the internet. Okay, it provides us information on any topic and also help us to interact with people in different ways. Let us learn more uses of internet. What are the uses of internet? How we can able to use internet? Okay, let's start. Uses of internet. What is the uses of internet? First, hub of information. We can get lots of information with the help of internet. So internet is a hub of informations. What is it? It is a hub of information. We can get information on any topic online like politics, movies, education, sports, technology, science and much more. Nowadays we can get any information with the help of internet. It also keep updating us on all the happening all around the world. In today's digital age, it is become an indispensable tools for staying informed and connected to the world. Now it is very powerful tool to connect between or to be able to communicate between the peoples. Okay. Second use of internet is entertain people. Nowadays people cannot able to get bored because internet is there. They can watch movies, they can play video games, they can watch reels, making reels, all these things. Okay. So the internet enable us to watch movies, listen music, play games and access a vast library of books and articles online. Furthermore, numerous apps are available that allow us to stream movies, TV programs and more, making entertainment and information readily available. Nowadays, with the help of all these things, with the help of internet, we cannot get bored easily because we have lots of things available online. Okay, so they entertains you. Next thing, we can do online shoppings. Yes, we can do lots of shopping with the help of internet. So internet help us e-commerce. We can buy and sell goods online using the internet. We don't have to stand a long queues. Rather, we can do shopping from anywhere. Nowadays, anywhere we can able to do shopping. Okay. Now communication also. Now we can able to communicate. Okay. So the internet enables seamless global communication, allowing us to connect with people worldwide without hassle. Now we can able to communicate with the people worldwide without any problem. Now I want to communicate with my friend that is living in Jaipur, that is living in Jammu Kashmir. I can able to communicate. Through emails, we can send messages, video call, documents, pictures, and much more in a real time. Now email, WhatsApp, Instagram, all these are the social media platforms that are there for our communications. Next, we do banking with the help of internet. So internet help us to transfer and receive money online very quick and easily. So very quickly, very easily we can able to receive and send money. We don't have to go to banks now. With the help of internet banking, we can access our account anywhere and operate it. It saves our time also. Nowadays, online banking system is there. So that's why we do not need to go and stand in a queues of the banks, because the banks are there in our pocket. Okay. Now video conferencing also we can able to do with the help of internet. So using internet, we can interact with other verbally and visually from different geographical locations. Through webcams, we can conduct a meeting with others. It saves traveling and cost of time. So internets make our life easier, better and comfortable. Are you agree with me? Yes. Okay. Now we will see requirement for connecting to the internet. What are the requirements that you need if you want to connect with the internet? So to connect our computer with internet, we need a modem, a telephone line and a broadband connections. Yes, we need a connection, so that's why we can connect. Okay. So what is modem? What is modem? Any idea? So a modem stands with modulator and demodulator. With the help of modem, we can send or receive information using telephone lines. Okay. This device converts digital signals to analog signals at transmitting points and analog signals to digital signals to at receiving points. So this is modem. From that, we can able to get internet connections to your home, to your computer. Now we will see internet connection. What is internet connection? Nowadays, different brands, different companies are there to provide you broadband connection, internet connection. Okay. So internet connection is a service of internet provided by internet service provider. Nowadays, internet is provided by internet service provider. These internet service providers charge this fee for providing these service. Of course, they charge you something. Then they only can give you service. Okay. To have an internet connection, we need to take the service of any of the service provider. There are many service providers that provides the internet service like BSNL, Airtel, VI, Jio, etc. These companies are there. From these companies, we can buy, we can purchase the internet connections. Internet connections are of different kinds of dial-up connections, broadband connections, satellites, wireless connections, hotspot, and mobile internet. Internet also has lots of types. According to your needs, we can able to connect to internet. Which internet you want? Okay. Now, surfing the internet through links. How we can surf the internet through the links? Let's see. Surfing the internet means to go from one place to another on the internet, browsing for topics on the internet. Surfing means you search something on the internet. Okay. By the surfing, we can go one page or one page to another page on the internet. Okay. We can do so by clicking on various links on search engine. So links are there. With the help of links, we can able to go from one page to another place. A link can be anything like a text, an image or a video. Whenever we move a cursor over a link, the cursor moves a heart-shaped pointer. When we click on a link, then it takes up in the web page or a website. This is how we can able to use internet in a proper way. Okay. Now, what is a search engine? What is it? Let's see. A search engine is a software that helps us to search various web pages on www. This is a search engine. Like Google Chrome is a search engine from which we can able to search anything. The user enter the keywords for the information they are looking for, and search engine displays the result in the form of links on the basis of the key. The search engine, they displays you the result. Okay, first you have to input, first you have to search it for that, then only they can give you the output. The most commonly used search engines are Google Chrome, Yahoo, Bing. These are the common search engines. Okay, now we will see working of a search engine. How does search engine work? Okay, let's see. The internet help us to access all kind of information all around the world. Now internet is there to give you or to provide you all the information of the world. We can access any information on any topic through the internet. Internet is there. Whatever the things that you want to search, there is the internet is there. For example, car, environment, human bodies, jobs, healthcare, and much more. But we may not know the URL of the website that contain this information. So we need to computer program that can search information for us on the World Wide Web or internet. So internet is there, so that's why you have to just type all like best cars or the car that is most reasonable or something like that. So they automatically give you the result for that. Okay, so these computer program are called search engines. So nowadays computer are there as a search engines. Okay, so we can search anything on your computer, on your mobile phones. Okay, so whenever we have to search the information on any topic, we need to type keywords type on the topic in the text box. So the text box is here. For example, I open the Google Chrome, so I have to put this thing computer parts if I want to search. Click this and move enter, then the lots of results comes out. See, the different websites are given here. Okay, different links are there, so you can open any link to read or to we can say acquire informations. Okay, so whenever we have to search for information on any topic, we need to type keywords related to the topic in the text box on the home page of the search engine. For example, if we want to know about the parts computer, then we have to type types of computer parts, or simply write computer parts. You can write types of computer parts or types of computer parts in a search engine. The search engine provide a list of results that best match what we are trying, what we are typing to find out on the internet. These are the displays as a list or of link of different websites. So different website links are be there. Okay, so we can click on any of the links to open the website and get informations we are looking for. So the different links are been there. See, different links are provided to you. You just open that link and get information on that topic. The topic should be according to your requirement. It is not like that you have to search only parts of computer. You can search anything on the Google. Anything is available on the internet. This is how the Google or the search engine works for you. Clear? Okay. Now we will move on email. How does email do? What is email? How we make email? Let's see. So email means electronic mail. What does it mean? Electronic mails. Okay, this is not the handwritten mails. This is electronic mails. It helps us to send and receive messages through the internet. So internet is there to receive and send messages on the email. It works the same way as snail's mail or normal post. Normally post in the older days, posts are there. You have to write a letter and that you have to post it, and then the post master come and they can send their message to that person. The email works in a very faster way as compared to the snail mail and normal mails. Okay, normal post. Okay, the only difference is the email is much more convenient and faster as compared to the normal mails. Yes, it is more faster and more convenient. With the help of email, we can send the same mail to the number of people at the same time. We can also send audio, video, documents and much more through the emails. So not only text, we can send audio, video and lots of things with the help of email. What is email address? How I can make email address? Everyone has an email. Nowadays, I am hoping so everyone has an email. If don't, let's see how we can able to make. Okay. So an email address contains username and a domain name. A username is the name of the person account used for identification. This is you, the We can say the person who want their email, the name should be as a username. Whereas a domain names is a unique name that identify a website on the net. Our email address should be like sangeeta123 at the rate gmail.com. This is how we can able to write the username. Okay. You also have some of the username like that. Okay. Rahul 127 at the rate gmail.com. Ravi 723 at the rate gmail.com. Okay. So in this, Sangeeta123 is a username and Gmail is our domain name. See, user and domain name is clear to you. This is the main difference between them. I'm hoping so this is clear. So I highlight it also for you. See, this is the thing. Okay. So Sangeeta123 is a username and gmail.com is a domain name. It is separated by @ symbol. See, username and domain name is separated with the @. In order to use the service of an email account, one should have an email account. Okay. If you want to do or receive emails, you have the email first. Okay. You have the email account first. And for creating an email account, we need to go any website of email service provider like Gmail, Yahoo, Outlook and create an account here. First, you have to create your Google account. Okay. So generally, these emails account service provided free account to the user. Normally, they do not take charges to open an account in the Gmail. Okay. They do not charge any fee for creating an account. So they do not charge you anything. You can open your account in a free. Okay. You just need to create a username and password for creating an email account. So these two things are very important. Don't share. These are the sensitive topics. Don't share your username or password to anyone else. Okay. So let's see how I can able to create my email account. How? Let's see. So we need to follow the given steps to create an email account. We need these steps. First step, connect to the internet and open website gmail.com. Okay, gmail.com, you just open it. This is the same thing. Then you go on create an account. See, create an account option is there. See here, create an account option is there. You don't have the Gmail account. If you have, then then enter your Gmail account. If you don't have, then go on create an account. Then step 3, our registration will be open. See, this is the type of registration will open in which you have to give some basic detail, your name, first name, last name, date of birth, girl or boy, something like that. Okay. From that, you have to choose your login name and password. Okay. And then accept the term and condition. Then you can ready to go and your email should be created in which website? Gmail.com. First go in this gmail.com website. Then create account and add your username, password and some details and your account should be created. Easy. Now, components of email account. What are the components that is there in email account? So there are many components on email account. Let us discuss one by one. Let's see what are the components. First component is inbox. Inbox is there. What is the role of inbox in Gmail? In email? Okay, Gmail email is same. So it is the place where we receive all the mails sent by anyone. So it is the place where we can receive all your mails. Each email shows the name of the sender, subject line, time, date and mail received and size of the message. All these things are be there in your inbox. Whatever the mails you can getting by the other person is received in your inbox. Okay. We need to click on the mail to read it. You have to just click on the mail and just read it. In that, all the things are there. Time, date, size of the message and all these things in your inbox. Next, compose and write mail. What is the role of compose and write mail? See, this is the compose and write mail. Okay, here all these things are important in two subjects. Here you can add, see, here you can add some attachment. Here you can add some emojis. Here you can add your text should be in a bold, italic and underline way. Okay, and after that, after writing your message, you can type send. You can click on send. Then your message on your Gmail or your email should be sent to that person. Okay, but before starting it, let's see what is compose and write a mail. Okay, so whenever we write an email, to someone, then we have to click composed button, or write a mail option should be there. So if you want to write a mail to someone else, you have to click on composed button option. Depending upon the email service provider, it will show like this. This is a composed mail. Okay, first thing, two. In two, what you have to write? Two means the person, you have to write the mail. You have to write the mail of that person which you want to send the message. So two means the email address to the email address of the person to whom you want to send the email should be written in two. The two, for example, you want to mail me, so you have to write my mail in the two column. Okay, we should have the proper email ID of the person to whom you want to send the email. So you have my proper email ID, then only that your message comes to me. Okay, so this is important thing. Okay, now CC. So CC is also there. In the CC, what you have to write? See, this is CC and BCC. So in CC, that is carbon copy. That means in this field, you need to specify the address of the person to whom you want to send the same message. This is CC copy, the carbon copy, the same copy that you want to send to that other person also. That is comes in CC. Okay, sometimes it happen na one mail you have to send to 1, 2, 3, 4 persons. So this is the carbon copy. Okay, next is BCC. What does BCC do? So this is called blind carbon copy. That is BCC. It is also used to send the copy of the mail to many people, but the mail address mentioned in the field are not visible to the main recipient of the mail, that is whom name is written to field. Okay, that is not mentioned, but you can send with BCC with lots of the people. We use this option when we don't want the main recipient to know that the copy of the same message is being shared with someone else. Okay, now subject option is there. What is subject? In the subject, you have to mention the subject for this message is based on which thing. Okay, so that is there in the subject box. So in this field, we write the brief description of the message to give an idea of a mail. So you can identify the idea of the mail with the help of subject. Okay, the subject line give a brief idea of a recipient about the mail. Okay, so this is subject. Now message. So in the message, you can write your message. Okay, add pictures, add video, whatever you want to send that person, you can add it. So in the field, we can write message that we want to send to the other person in this white area where you write the main content of the mail. So here you can write the mail content of the mail on the white page. Next, send option is there. You can see the send option. So after writing the message, we can click on the send button to send the message to the recipient. This is how we can send the message to other person. Now attachment option is there. Sir, I can show you. This is the attachment option. Can you see? This is the attachment option. So I rub it all these options, so that's why we can see the attachment option. See, this is the attachment option. Can you see this? This is the attachment option. Okay. So in attachment, in case we need to send any file, images, video or video through the message, that we have to click on the attachment file to attach it in the mail. Okay, see, message I have write, but with the message I want to add a PDF, image or video on it. So I click on the attachment button. Okay, so we need to click on attachment icon and then close the file that you want, then choose the file that you want to send with the email. So choose the file, whether it is the image form or PDF form, choose that file that you want to attach with the mail. The file will start uploading. Then we can click on send option. Once the file is uploaded, then that attached file will be sent with your email to that person. Now reply and forwarding mails. How we can able to reply on the mails and forward the mails? Can I able to do? Yes, I can able to do. How? Let's see. In case we want to send a reply to the person through a chain of message, we click on the reply button and start typing our message. So reply button is also there. When someone send you a message, a reply button should be there. With the help of reply button, we can able to reply to that message. So sometimes we need to send the same received mail to someone else. then click on forward button. Forward button means that same message you have to forward to that person also. So you can click on forward button. This will allow us to send the same email with attachment if any to the new recipient. This is how we can able to send that. Okay. Now log out and sign out. If I done with my all the email work, I want to sign it out. How I can do? So when we are finished our mail sending process, click on sign out button bottom to come out from the email account. See, the sign out button is there on your screen. So just click on it, then you are log out from your email account. This is how the email help us to communicate with one person to another person. This is how we can able to make our email account and share all your videos, photos and documents to one person to another person. I'm hoping so this much is clear. Okay. So that's all my dear learners for this class. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a good day. Bye bye.